He saw the signs. He tried to warn us. Now, in our darkest hour, he's got a plan to save us all.
Run! The sky is falling! The sky! Take cover!
When it comes to saving the world, it helps to be a little chicken.
What's that noise? Sorry, nervous eater.
Chicken Little.
Son, there's something I want you to know.
What, Dad?
In about 3 seconds, I'm going to scream like a little girl.
That, young man, is how babies are made.
The excitement.
Cannonball!
The comic genius
We're going to
of Will Ferrell.
I don't know how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal.
He's the world's most outrageous funny man.
2 tickets to the gun show. Hey, hot lady, what's going on? I'm a hot little potato. I won't get you drunk. Get you drunk on my lady hump.
Do you mind?
Just thought you'd like to see what a skater's body really looks like. Be careful, that's the most powerful trank gun on the market. Yes, that's awesome.
You're crazy. Give your comedy collection some willpower.
Hey, what's up? How you doing? I'm Ron Burgundy. Want some of this? How about a little of that? It's beautiful.
Oh, the best of Will Ferrell on DVD.
Let's get on!
There's a new sheriff in town. Only from Paramount and DreamWorks Home Entertainment. What's going on?
If you tell anyone about this, I'll kill you. I'm kidding. We'll come back by tonight. Okay, sweetie.